tried it yet.
Yeah, he's just figuring it out.
There you go. Hey, pretty girl.
Come here. Come here. I want to show you
Hi, Angeli. Hi, girl. Oh, I just videoed up your nose. Hello.
She then wants to be in the limelight 100% of the time.
Yeah.
She needs to stop.
Uh-huh.
He told me. No, actually, I'm the instigator. I told her to do that.
Yeah, Tita's been telling her to.
I told her. It's not her, it's me.
Hi, Tit. Hello.
Happy birthday, Cherry.
Yeah.
Hi, John.
Hi. Oh, there's some chairs, or not chairs, bikes. Rolling chairs.
Oh, yeah. Do you want it now?
Hi, guys.
Good morning.
Good morning. Wow. Gotta zoom in on those muscles there. Biceps and triceps. Jeez.
At least finish your
Another birthday present.